Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming which drive you're adding and why. SATA 2. 5-inch for capacity or NVMe M. 2 for speed. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and remove power. Unplug the PSU and wait about 30 seconds to discharge capacitors. Then open the case, remove side panel screws, and set the panel aside. Make sure you have the correct mounting hardware and an open bay or M2 slot available. You're now ready to position the drive and proceed with installation. You'll now physically install the drive. For a 5-inch SATA SSD, slide it into the bay, screw it down, attach a SATA data cable to the motherboard and a power cable from the PSU. For an M2 NVMe drive, insert it into the slot at a shallow angle, press it down to the standoff, and secure the mounting screw. Once fastened, close the case, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the motherboard detects the new SSD before moving to initialization. You'll finish by initializing and preparing the drive so you can use it. In Windows Disk Management, initialize the disk as GPT unless you need legacy MBR, create a partition, choose NTFS or XFAT depending on use, format, and assign a drive letter. Once formatted, transfer files or set new storage locations. If the drive isn't visible, make sure cables are firmly seated, verify the M2 slot isn't disabled in BIOS, and, if needed, update motherboard firmware. Those steps usually resolve detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.